Modere, what is it? Is it a business opportunity? Is it just a place to buy products? Are you looking to become what we call a social marketer? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, and what makes Modere different than your traditional network marketing MLM company. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss out. All right, so I got started at Modere about 3.5 years ago, and some of the reasons that I got started were because I was in the network marketing space before, and I wasn't happy with the way that they build. So whether you've been in network marketing before, maybe you've thought about doing network marketing before, I urge you, if you're taking a look at this video, I'm going to put in the description of this video a way for you to contact me over on Facebook so I can share with you a little bit more about Modere and the business opportunity if you are in fact interested in learning more. So just click on the link below and we can set up a time to chat over on Facebook. And you can message me and I can get you learning a little bit more about, the ins and the outs of Modere to see if it's a good fit for you. But when I came over to this company about 3.5 years ago, the reason I came over here is because I really felt like Modere had solved the problems with traditional network marketing. What do I mean by that? All right, so I was in a former company and I was carrying a ton of inventory and I was buying a complete ton of inventory every single month. And let's be honest, I was spending a little bit more than I was making some months, right? And so I was like, this is not a business model. This is not sustainable. So what I love about Modere is that we have to carry no inventory whatsoever. The company ships directly. So I want you to think about it as like an e-commerce store done for you, right? You post about the products, you post about, our flagship flying off the viral shelf, Modere Trim, Modere Collagen, and then you send somebody a link, and what that link has is a $10 off coupon, kind of like Guilt and Fresh Direct, right? So Guilt and Fresh Direct, you give 10, get 10, right? You give it to somebody, they get $10 off their first order, they share it with a friend, that friend also gets $10 off, you get a credit for Guilt or Fresh Direct. Guess what? The same thing happens over at Modere, right? So we call it our give 10, get 10, right? And you can give as many 10s as you want and you can earn as many 10s back in product credit. So it's absolutely amazing, and that it really is just truly an e-commerce store with a gift certificate for your first order, right? The other thing that I love about Modere is that we actually have a two-sided comp plan. What does that mean? That means that you can set up like an affiliate shop with Modere. You can earn up to 36% commission on your orders, and you can hit the top ranks of our company and be recognized on stage, earn, some of the different incentives that the company puts out without having a team. A traditional network marketing company, you need to build a team. You hit a certain rank. If your team doesn't hit that rank, you can't move further up in the company. And Modere has what we call our customer side of the comp plan. So you can hit the very tippity top, like I said, earn that 36% commission and not have a team at all, right? Now there is the other side of the comp plan, which is the team building side of the comp plan. And that's where you're bringing other, what we call social marketers underneath you, and they are selling the products the same way that you do, right? And then you earn commissions off of your team as well. So I love that Modere has that two-sided comp plan, because let's be honest, there's so many people that really A, don't want to build a team, or B, they want to build a team, but it's really hard and then they get frustrated because they can't move up in the top ranks, and that doesn't happen at Modere. The other thing that I love about Modere that was very different than my other traditional network marketing company is that we actually have what we call a place for everybody. What do I mean by that? We do not earn a commission off of our own personal orders that we place for ourselves, right? So there's no reason to just sign people up to become a distributor to get a discount on our products, because that's not the way that Modere works, right? If we earn product credit based on how much we sell every single month. So we actually have over 80% of our orders coming in from customers, because if customers don't want to sell the product, we would rather keep them as a customer so that they can earn the discounts through the Share the Love program, through our Smart Ship and Save, right? And so we have a very large, what we call customer pod, because we're not trying to sign up people that aren't interested in the business opportunity. And that's very different than the traditional network marketing space, where you just want to keep building more and more and more people underneath you because you want to build that team. But we don't need to do that over here. If you want to be a customer, then you stay a customer. If you want to earn an income with selling the products, then you become what we call a social marketer. And like I said, in the description of this video, I'm going to put a link so we can talk more. I can share with you some videos that we have inside of a Facebook group that really does a great job explaining Modere, the side income, the compensation plan, and a little bit more detail. And so what I urge you to do is click on the description of this video if any of this is resonating with you. And what I can tell you is that Modere is a clean living product-based company, right? We have hundreds of clean living products. We have that viral product, Modere Trim. It's gone viral on social media. You might have seen that spoon post, right? It is a CLA collagen-based fat blasting system. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you over here a video to learn a little bit more about Modere's Trim, right? That is our flagship product, Modere's collagen. So you can check out a little bit, but know that Modere has we have skincare, we have house care, we have body care, we have it all. It's a clean living company that has all natural, clean ingredients made here in the United States. And it has been, I have changed everything over in my house. My whole house is clean because of Modere. And that is their mission of the company, is to offer clean products to your everyday marketplace, shipped directly to you, just like an Amazon store would. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. We'll see you next week.